How to fix the ping in Stumble guys on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the ping in your Stumble guys, easy and quick. First thing you need to do here, as you see here, you will find this icon in the top corner. This one, click on it, and once you're here, now all you need to do, just scroll down and disable shadows. You will find it like that. Make it off, and then go to this one, server, click change. Now just select closest server to you, like North America or Europe, and that's it. Now go back and try again and your problem will be fixed. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.